Okay, let me redo Friday, December 6th, because Hugo mentioned that was skipping to the next bar per 50 minutes with, by pushing this button. He said, I missed some information probably, so let me get back to it. Um, my thought on that is that my decision is at least at M15 candles. I want to see M15 candles closing better M30 or H1, but the smallest time frame is M15. Um, I can't do a trade without a firm close uh, on M15 or better M30 H1 telling me a story. So as long as I don't see a story, I think it's good to skip with next bar button. Let's see what we have here. This was a nice support. This was a pullback. It took several bars to pull back. Now the the this bearish candle and the green bullish candle, they tell the little story of making support here. The green bullish candle is really tiny, so it's not strong at all. That's why I will push this bar. Okay, that looks nice. Volume coming in. Still, oh wow, I'm too early. I'm not trading here. We start watching at 13 o'clock, so this is where we start. This is where we start. Okay, so right now we have both. We have a little trading range between this and this. We can't do anything. I'm happy to buy above here because that is with the trend. Um, but probably I'm also ready to sell below here. Let's see what we get. Still in the range. Still in the range. Nothing changes. Okay, 15 minutes before the New York Open, we see this. That's a beautiful breakout. Um, I don't rely on a candle which breaks for nothing. I can't enter here. I at least want to see how the next candle makes a bottom wick. So let's do that with playing. Let me go to M15. It's about this breakout. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got the close on the hourly candle. That is a beautiful bullish candle. Yeah, this is, and it's also the open of New York. This is very attractive to buy. How does it look on H4? Yeah, there's a lot of room to the upside. And 30 looks good. Looks good to buy. Yeah, I think with the New York volume one can immediately buy here. Um, but since it's a range for several hours, I don't have the guts to do that. When we had the trend, um, and in the trend making a nice pullback with some clear candle. Let's say this is a big candle, then we got a smaller candle. Let's say this was a small candle too, and then we had a big green candle. That is way more perfect than what we have here with the range. So I still have to wait for some sort of confirmation that price rejects this sideways area. Okay, 15-minute candle closed. We see price comes back in the range. So allow me to push this next bar button. Yeah, price comes back in the range. Half an hour after New York open. So the question was, could we have sold here when price came back in the range? Well, there is no range to this support here. There's nothing. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Okay, then the question is, where can I buy? Let's listen uh, to Hugo. Wow. So this is rejecting this support, this and this wick down. Breaks the high of this candle, but we are still below this resistance. On M30 we are still below this resistance. Can get rid of this one. So this was where price closed, isn't it? What is the new candle? This happened in seconds? Yeah, 15:30. This happened in seconds. To any news? No. Non-farm. Lol. NFP. NFP right there. So I can't trade, mate. I can't trade. NFP. Let's see if we get a price retracing, get a support, and if we can buy from there. Sorry, pushing the button. This is rejecting. Can we buy above here? The problem with that is we run into this sideways markets. I don't feel that this is good for buying above here. I just don't think it's a trade. Oh wait, there's just no trade. Sorry. This is outside of my trading day. So if we have resistance here, which is also coming from here, with 3 pin bars, would you dare to sell here into this wick? Do you dare to sell if price gets below here? The risk is like 20 pips, which is giving a 1-to-1, but you run into this. You have the wick, you got the previous resistance. I just don't know, mate. I don't know. I don't know. Please comment on this. Trading day done. Please comment on this. Yo, cheers, bye bye.